So this is the IM I created for my course theme, which is Newton's Laws of Motion, and it is designed mostly for 11th graders. And the reason why I picked this as my course theme is because, first of all, Newton is one of the physicists that everybody has heard of, and there are many real life examples that can explain by Newton's laws of motion, which is easier for students to connect their real life with physics, which is a relatively uh, hard topic for students to learn. So right here, I've created an announcement, basically covers everything we're going to talk about in this course, some standards and objectives. Moving on to classwork page. So in this entire course, I've separated the course into 5 different chapters. The first chapter is just basically check students some necessary knowledge that students need for them to begin study this course, and then the next 4 chapters is basically everything we need to cover in Newton's laws of motion, and then it comes along a final exam. I also created a survey for students to give me feedbacks on my course, and I also created a Q&A space in case anyone has any questions or concerns. Also, some additional resources if students need extra help. And I think the most interesting part I created in this IM is the lab assignment in chapter 4, which is Newton's second law of motion. So I found interesting simulation online and wrote the whole lab report myself. And it took me some time to figure everything out, but I think the final outcome looks pretty good. So this is it, the IM I created for Newton's laws of motion.